So for this lesson, we are exploring the covalent bonding. So let's look at what covalent bonds are. So when we talk about covalent bonding, you're talking about sharing of electrons. It's different from ionic bonding. Covalent bonding, sharing of electrons. Usually happens between the non-matter. So only the non-matters form covalent bonds, not matter elements. So it's towards the right of your periodic table. So covalent bonds, it says, is formed when two atoms share a pair of electrons. The electrons which contribute towards a covalent bond are found in the outer shell of the atoms. Usually each atom contributes one electron, but sometimes they can have multiple covalent bonds. So if they are both sharing one electrons, you have a single covalent bond. Sharing two electrons, two covalent bonds. Sharing three covalent bonds, and so on. So when we talk about covalent bonds, we are talking about sharing electrons between the outermost shell electrons. And why are we doing this? It is to fulfill the octet rule. In order for atoms to be stable, they should like to have 8 electrons in the outermost shell, 8 electrons in the outermost shell. So in this case, it makes sense for atoms to have covalent bonds, for them to share the outermost shell electrons. One example is fluorine. So a story about fluorine is that fluorine is located in group 17, which means there are 7 valence electrons, 7 outermost shell electrons. We can calculate this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They want to have one more electron in order for them to become stable. So what they do is that each fluorine atom is sharing one electrons. So the first fluorine is sharing one valence electron, the second fluorine is sharing one valence electron, and now they have 8 electrons in the outermost shell for each fluorine atoms. It formed F2. So in this case, fluorine becomes stable because it is forming a single covalent bond. Another example is water. Water has a formula of H2O, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. In this case, oxygen is in group 16 and has 6 valence electrons. Hydrogen has 1. So each hydrogen atom will be sharing 1 valence electron with oxygen. Oxygen now becomes stable, have 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Hydrogen will have 2. So hydrogen is one of the exception to the rule that it just need to have 2 in order to become stable. So covalent bonds, the whole idea is about sharing of electrons in order for atoms to become stable.